Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm super excited to be here. I have my little guest, Gracie. She's here helping me do this live. We're going to talk about cleaning tools. So come on here and tell us hello if you're on here live with us and if you're watching it on replay. Now, one of the things I want to do is you guys have given me so many great ideas about cleaning and doing all the things in here, and it's amazing. You guys have some really good tips, honestly. But hopefully we can give you some new tips that you guys haven't thought about today and all the things. They're giving us some thumbs up. All right, let's go. Okay, one of the cleaning tips that I absolutely love, and I don't have it, is for cleaning your garage. I think that every single person in the world, I don't care whose house I've decorated before, or cleaned or did front porches, because Gracie comes and helps me do the front porches, is we definitely want to power wash that twice a year. And why I say that is it just freshens everything up from the dust, the dirt, and all the things. But one of the things that I think that every single person needs is a leaf blower, a portable leaf blower. If you don't have a portable leaf blower for your garage and your driveways and things like that, you need to get one. We have to sit and sweep them if we don't have one in there. And honestly, a lot of times I just take my own because it's so amazing. And all you have to do is get the battery, put the battery pack on it, and it's very portable. So that's amazing. Who doesn't need one of those? You don't have to try to start it or any of that stuff. You just push and go, and it really does work. So that's one of the tips that I want to give you. Okay, Gracie really wants to talk. We're going to talk about tools, different cleaning tools, and solutions and things like that, because we have lots of those. Okay, Gracie, you go ahead and talk about what she loves this.
If I could marry a product, it'd probably be this. Okay, so I use this all the time, cleaning floors. I do half and half hot water, which I don't really know if you're supposed to mix Fabuloso and hot water with the chemicals, but I do it anyway. So half hot water, half Fabuloso, clean the floors. It'll literally smell your entire house.
It does. I love it when I come home and she's cleaned all my hardwood floors. Tell them what you clean it with. You clean it pretty much
with this.
Fabuloso. She cleans it with this. She'll put like a little, which is another thing that we absolutely cannot live without. She'll either use a Swifter. I use the microfiber. Either way, those are really wonderful tips because this Fabuloso, it smells amazing. One day I came home, I didn't know what she was doing. I was like, what is that smell? And she goes, it's Fabuloso, Mom. And she puts it in this little spray bottle, like she said, half and half.
Yeah, half hot water, half Fabuloso.
And it smells amazing. And I love that she did this because all you have to do is spray it and then voila, it's ready for you. So we keep that in.
And it lasts forever. Like you can get a bigger bottle than this at Dollar General for $7. I don't know how many milliliters.
Really?
Yeah, it's huge.
There you go. So what other places can you use this? I think it says you can use it on any surface, hard surface, like in your bathrooms, on
your toilet, your stove.
Yeah, your stove, all kinds of different. It's just an all-purpose cleaner. But the great thing it does is it takes the dirt and oil out of your hardwood floors. I wouldn't use a lot of it. Like she said, she does half and half, but it's amazing, guys, and it makes them smell amazing, and it makes them shine. Another tool that I love to use on my hardwood floors before we forget it, I don't think I have it out, is Windex. Yeah. Gracie can tell you I'm a Windex queen. I love Windex on everything. And there's all kinds of different types of Windex, but I just like the original Windex. And why I say that is because it doesn't streak and it doesn't leave a film, right? Yeah, so like all of my appliances and stuff, when you guys see them and they kind of look shiny and all the things, it's because I'm using Windex. You can also use Windex straight on your hardwood floors. So that's a great tip. Okay, another tip that Gracie and I found that we love cleaning.
I found it.
I'm gonna give her credit for it, is this little tool right here. So tell us what you do with it.
Okay, so you put this in your shower, but you fill this with like Clorox, like bleach, and you leave it in there. You put a cup in when you're not using it so it doesn't spill everywhere. And when you're in the shower, just go ahead and wash it and then just obviously rinse it while you're in the shower so then you don't have to do another thing. You're already in there. Yeah. Might as well do it.
It is amazing, guys. And what it does is you can put a little bit of bleach in there. You can also use Dawn, the Blue Dawn's liquid soap. And what it does is it takes all that hard scum and stuff off of it. They put bleach in theirs that's really nice because it makes it all nice and fresh and clean. It's like a little cleaning before, the cleaning actually happens. So that's a great tool. I love that, not just in my kitchen, but in the bathrooms. Okay. Another thing that I want to reiterate, I've told you guys this many, many times, is Rain-X. And what I do with Rain-X is, that's one, this, I wanted to show you this. Rain-X, because everybody keeps telling me that. Rain-X only comes in this. No, it comes in the actual spray, like just like this. And Rain-X, what I love to do, I don't do this every time I wash my windows. I'm going to show you another thing that I wash with them all the time. But this is a great tip to do every month or every 3 months or something like that. When you start noticing that the rain or the snow or whatever doesn't hit your windows and it's not coming down and it's leaving streaks, it's time to put Rain-X on it. So what I do is I get a bucket and I put this Rain-X, and I put, I don't know, I would say maybe a half a cup of it, just squirt, or just as much as you want to. You can kind of see this film. And then what else I put in there? Hot water and baking soda, guys. It's amazing for your windows. And then you put this Rain-X on it, and then you'll have to come back and you use a microfiber towel and wash it down. Now, I don't do that every single time I wash my windows, because who wants to go through all that work? But honestly, you can do it about every 3 months. That's what I'd say. We do it about every 3 months. We'll do that, and we use the Rain-X, the baking soda, and a hot tub of water, and we wash it down with that. Let it set, and let it set in there, and then wash it again. It's amazing. It makes it really good. Another place to do this is all your mirrors, because it makes them streak free, and it also makes them where they don't fog up. And another place is if you have a shower that has any kind of water, or what is it? What am I trying to say?
Glass.
Glass. It's amazing for that, guys. Leave that in there. Have your husband do it all the time. And it will literally build up, and you will be amazed how awesome that is. Okay, so that's one tool. Those are some of the products that we love. Oh, I guess I got one more. One of the other products I absolutely love is Orange Glow. Where do I use this at? I use this in my sink. I have a granite sink, and it gets that film on it and that buildup from all the soap, and that is amazing. This will come in there. It smells amazing. Jason even asked me the other night, he's like, what is that stuff in our sink that's like smells really good, like you just washed it? And I said, I spray this. I just literally spray this down. It leaves a film on your sink, and it smells amazing, and it looks amazing. It glows it up, and that's called Orange Glow. So that's one of the things that I love also. Also, going back to my windows, I absolutely love these Norwex. This is the thing that you're gonna see out in my house all the time. If I'm washing my windows, you wet this one and you wipe this one down with the purple. It is amazing, guys. It is streak free. The sun can come in and there's no streaks on your window. So these are amazing. I don't know what's in these little towels, but they're amazing. They're absolutely worth the money. So that's from Norwex. I really love these. I don't know if there's a Norwex lady in here. There you go. That's what you have to have. And microfiber towels to just wash and clean and things. But one of the things that Grace wants to tell you, we love this tool, guys. This cool tool is our Swifter. If you don't own one, we do our hardwood floors with these.
Also at Dollar General.
Also at Dollar General. You can get the little Swifter pads, which is great. We use these too, but if you want to save some money where you don't have to redo them all the time, because they've got the little clinches, and everybody asks us, is it just the original? I think it is just the original. It's the original one. We put it over here. We wash our hardwood floors. But a friend of mine, dun, 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 she said that one of her tips that she does, she actually uses this on it, but I tried it at my house, and you can wipe down all your cabinets with this. You can kind of wet it, you can kind of do all kinds of things, and you can start, and look how easy that is. So you can wipe your window, or you can wipe down your cabinets, and you can also wipe down your baseboards with this, and you can also wipe down your walls. Who knew, right? She told me, she's like, Tabitha, you don't know that you guys can wipe down your walls? And I said, no, I didn't know that. So this is basically just dusting your walls. You don't wet this, guys. You just use a microfiber or just a dry one, and you will be shocked how dirty your walls are. This truly does work on your walls. So do it in your bedroom. That's what, I can't believe I'm saying this, but your bedroom walls get so dirty. I don't know why. I don't know what you do in there. I don't know how much dust it gets, but you will be amazed if you do this, guys, especially with one of the white ones. You will be amazed how dusty the walls are, okay? I wanna hear what you guys think of all these little tips that we're doing. So this is the one that I really, truly love. I can't live without this little tool, and sometimes we break them and we have to go get a new one. So there you go. Okay, one of the last tools that I really love, guys, is my cordless vacuum. I know a lot of you guys mentioned this. I absolutely love this thing. I do have a Kirby vacuum that I really deep clean and stuff, but I love this thing just to really, honestly, just surface hit. We have a lot of hardwood floors, we have a lot of rugs, we have carpet, all the kind of different things. We have tile. This thing will go over everything and it'll pick up anything, like kids' little dust, you know, like their little things that their feet dust and all that kind of stuff.
Their feet dust?
You know, whatever I'm trying to say, like they're nasty, what am I trying to say, like from your socks, if you eat,
lint.
And they get like lint, thank you. If you get anything else like, you know, food or anything, this is so handy because you can, you know, it's battery operated, you don't have to get anything out, and then you put it right back in, and it really does help with time. So that's one of the things I love. Also, if you have a staircase, this is an amazing tool because it comes with all different things. And you can tell how much we use this. Look at this, it's disgusting. So what I wanted to tell you is you got to get one of these here. I'll let you put that together. Because it comes with all different tools. One of the things I love to use it on is my staircases as well. It's really super handy. So like when you're in a hurry and people are coming over and you're like, okay, I have all this stuff, that is really super handy. Now we have a Dyson, and there's been a couple of you guys that have said different brands. I want to know which one you guys love the best down below, because
A lot of people like Shark.
Shark, yeah. Is that better than the Dyson? Let me know, because maybe I need to change some things up. Because I'm all about tips and tricks to keep your house nice and tidy and clean. And some of these things are really, really helpful to keeping things clean. Okay, there you go.
But another thing about this Dyson, specifically this
You can
attachment, I don't know about you guys, but Mom goes crazy for Christmas and there's always glitter everywhere. So she also has cloth.
Don't do that.
She has cloth couches and chairs and stuff, so glitter attaches to them very easily.
Yes.
And so you just go across it, glitter's gone. So
Yeah. It's really handy for chairs and things like that, or like your ottoman if kids are sitting there eating something and you need to get it in the little grooves and stuff. This is an amazing tool. So if you don't have one of these, I promise you it's worth the money and it's worth saving you time. So the last product I'm going to say is scrub free. And it's got Oxy in it. This is an amazing product. You spray this down with your showers and things like that, and it gets all the scum and soap and things like that off. And we can't use this enough. Now, I'm gonna tell you and forewarn you that make sure you cover your mouth or things like that, and you spray it and leave the room and let it kind of, kind of absorb in the air, because it is very, very strong. I'm in the market for a vacuum. Pat, I don't know that vacuum cleaner. I have a bigger one for like heavy duty things, but this one honestly does work, and it saves you so much time. Now, I don't have the little Roomba, and lots of people say they love it. They absolutely love it, but I don't know. I really kind of like my cordless vacuum cleaner, so I can promise you it's worth the money.
It's nice for like cleaning downstairs with Sophie.
Yes, yes, we have one downstairs, upstairs, and out in the shed in my office area. So think about it. Read the reviews and think about it. I really promise you, you won't be sorry. Yeah. Okay, guys, I hope this was helpful. Leave me some things below what your thoughts are. Have you guys used any of these products? Have you even thought about using any of these products in your home? So let me know if this was helpful. Thank you, Gracie, for coming in here and being my helper today. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.
Bye, Grandma. Love you.